Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to Galway. I'm still in Dublin, and I am in quite a bit of rush this morning. My train leaves in like an hour and 18 minutes, and as you can see, I'm still in the suburbs. So I gotta get on a train, get to the city center, then take a tram from that train station to the one I need to go to. So hopefully I make my train, but I think I'll be okay. Well, quick change of plans. The next train to Connolly Station, which is where I need to go to take the tram over to Houston or something like that station, isn't for another like 33 minutes, so I'm just gonna have to Uber over there. But the Uber should be here shortly, so I should definitely be able to make my train to Galway. Alright guys, welcome to Galway, Ireland.
The last one that was more.
They're showing, even though they're loyal.
Check out this view. Hope you can hear me. It is really windy. This is such a beautiful area. It's like classic maritime. You got the seagulls flying in the air, all the boats. Really beautiful area. It is super windy though. My hair is all messed up. That's all right though. See, they're playing a football game, or as we would say in the US, a soccer game. But what a lovely place Galway is. Very beautiful. Love the maritime feel of it. See, here's the Atlantic Ocean. There's a lighthouse right out there in the distance. And then you can see just over here they're playing soccer, and then you can see the colored houses and Galway. So, what a beautiful place. I think I found my my favorite place in Ireland. It is really windy, but that's all right. I don't mind. A lighthouse at the end of this really long walk, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and walk down there. And right out here is just the Atlantic Ocean for as far as you can see, and of course very windy. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I can see the gate is locked, but there's the lighthouse. But there's not really any point in me getting too much closer because I'm not going to be able to get up next to it. But what a great view it is from out here. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but you can see all of Galway from out here. So check out the cliffs over there. Probably can't see them. There's cliffs there. Then in the horizon there's more cliffs. Very windy. It's all right though. So that fish and chips was really good in the coleslaw and the tartar sauce. And I had a good conversation with a couple from Australia that sat down with me, which of course was always enjoyable when you get to meet people, especially from countries that you haven't been to, and I've never been to Australia, so that was great. But now I have to go catch my train back to Dublin. I love these buildings. There's a market in Galway. Yeah.
I designed them, so it's my version.
Somewhere around here. Where are you heading to now? Yeah.
Alright guys, I am back in Dublin and I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed today. I really enjoyed Galway, and I will definitely be back to Galway at some point in the future to explore more and spend a few days there, probably 3 or 4 days. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one, so I will see you guys in the next one.